Hello students, today we are going to study crushing. The process of reducing of total project duration along the longest path of the network, that is along the critical path, to obtain the optimum project cost and optimum duration is called as crushing. Now, crashing is a methodology or a procedure to obtain optimum project cost and optimum duration. It means that we will perform the crashing operation to obtain the optimum project cost and optimum duration. Now, project cost or total project in any project cost consists of two separate costs, that is direct cost and indirect cost. Now, indirect cost is further subdivided into outage loss and overhead charges. Indirect cost. Indirect cost of a project are those expenses which cannot be associated or assigned to any individual activity of the project. Indirect cost is associated with a group of activities or project as a whole. It means that it is not related with the individual activity but it is related with the group of activity or project as a whole. It includes overhead charges, for example, establishment charges, insurance charges, expenditure for maintenance of services during operations. Now, indirect cost always increases with time. Overhead increases linearly with time at constant rate, but outage loss increases non-linearly with time. Here, overhead charges increases linearly, but outage loss increases just like this curve, not linearly. Thus, total indirect cost increases non-linearly with time as shown above, that is here. For ease in calculation, we generally assume that indirect cost varies linearly with time, just for the ease in calculation. Now the next one will be the direct cost. Direct cost of a project are those expenses which are directly chargeable and can be identified by activities. Example, cost of material, machine, labor, etc. It has been observed that direct cost decreases with the increase in time, but indirect cost increases with the duration. That is, the total direct cost decreases with the increase in time duration, like this. Now the next time will be the normal time. It is the standard time that an estimator will assign to an activity. The next time will be the crash time. It is the minimum possible time in which an activity can be completed by assigning extra resources. Or crash time is that time before which an activity cannot be completed even by application of infinite number of resources. Now the next cost will be the normal cost. It is the direct cost of an activity associated with the normal time. And the next will be the crash cost. It is the direct cost of an activity corresponding to the crash time. Now optimum cost and optimum duration. Total project cost will be equals to direct cost plus indirect cost. If direct and indirect cost vary with time as shown in figure, then total project cost versus time curve have this shape as indicated. Then total project cost versus time curve have this shape as indicated in the figure below, that is like this. Now cost slope or slope of direct cost curve can be determined by the formula, that is crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal time minus crash time. That is all about crashing. Thank you very much, students.